How's it going?
Man, our YouTube hero. We spend more time watching your YouTube channel than we do watching anything else, man.
Oh, thanks for the support.
I know, man. Well, I need one of them Suzuki's on the back of this thing instead of this cranky old Yamaha.
You think it's just a fuel issue?
Yeah, man, I can't get it to go. I've done everything I can do.
Hi.
How's it going? You guys having fun today?
It was fun.
Good.
This a new first mate for you? I haven't seen her in any of your videos.
Yeah, this is my girlfriend, Catherine.
Hi.
I have a daughter, Catherine.
Oh, no. What am I saying? That's my daughter. Never mind. We don't know how to count.
Tell me you can fit under the twin bridges instead of having to pull us all.
Yep, just gotta put my antennas down.
I guess the last one, we're all over your channel watching everything, but I guess the last one we watched was the guy you got from Longo Key, and the big old, was he in a trawler? And he was
Man, I don't know, I've watched so many.
oh, maybe it wasn't you. Oh my gosh, it was a grouchety old part, and he was so nasty and mean. Oh my goodness.
Was that the one that was sinking?
He was not? Yes,
I think
yes.
it was one of you.
Yep.
Yeah.
Was it you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
His bilge was, yeah.
Yeah, he had water to build.
Thankfully, I don't get too many customers like that.
Well, we're not
He
one.
was under a lot of stress.
Yeah. That's the thing, I get being under stress and cranky, but
Well, it sounded like, and you did a good job being objective about it, but
Oh my
it sounded
God.
like he was frustrated by the call center in India and the
yeah.
days and his boat's going down. I get it, man. I mean, so you were fair with him.
There.
You want me to pull the anchor, Ken?
Let me just get tied up here and then I'll have you pull it.
Those horns on those cleats are tight, I know, man. It's kind of a pain.
That's okay.
Maybe
We
it's
telling
just
Charlotte all about watching the videos and the mishaps at every event. I want him to put us on TV. I said, no, this isn't one of those where we need to go on TV. This is pretty tame.
Hey, you all set?
I guess.
Okay.
You want me to pull it?
Yep, you can go ahead and pull it. Freaking birds will scare the out of you. These swimming birds, because they're like not there and then they just appear out of nowhere.
Give me some slack, bud.
Take what you need. I ain't pulling you. See, there he goes. He just pops up out of nowhere.
Hang on, man. I gotta go.
His anchor got stuck on something. Yeah. One antenna. Yeah. Yeah. Two antenna. You can do it. What does Mikey want? Or Frankie? He just sent us another one. Turn. What? What's fine? What? For now. You say that till we get stuck out here for 10 hours.
Don't say that.
It's a possibility. Not want to cooperate. You want to take the line off the right front there and get dock line set up on your starboard side? Yeah, you can just drop it. Thanks. Yeah, we'll leave this one on if you want to just get a dock line set up on that other side there. Thanks.
Yep, that's the closest thing to autopilot I'll ever have. Yeah, man, the walk of shame back to the dock.
No such thing.
Yeah. Not quite here.
Alright, good there.
So you got another one you're going to?
Yep, dispatch hasn't come through yet, so don't know what it is, but
Okay.
you just text that we got something, so
Well, we'll keep an eye on the video. Maybe we'll see you out there.
I'm sure you will.
Okay, brother. Thanks again, man.
You're very welcome.
Yes, those lightning storms that are tricky.
Yeah.
No storms.
Nice meeting you, Catherine.
Nice meeting you
Danger.
too.
Time crush.
Well,
Thanks, brother.
good luck with this, and maybe next time I'll see you out there, you'll have a new engine.
Oh,
You won't see me if I have a new engine.
We'll wave to you. I won't have to tow you.
All right, man. Take it easy.
Thanks.
Bye.
Hey, Mike. Yeah, I just dropped him off here. Yeah, channel's all the way over there.
dive it here?
Oh, we're not diving it now.
Man, you know what? I'm gonna write a book. Of all, somebody told me, just don't ever talk. Just broke down.
Yep.
Never. My buddy runs the one over the Okeechobee all the way across that. He does all your commercials.
Oh, okay.
Every time he says, you call me anytime something happens. That guy was rude, hateful, and mean, man. Oh, you're taking on water? I go, hell, how would I know, bud? How do I know? We don't do boats taking on water. All right, I'll call the Coast Guard and sink here then. And I'm not, so you come on and look.
Yeah, okay.
Those pumps never even went off. What happened was, I turned that corner, and these clowns over here at the sandbar just come flying across like wild.
Yeah.
And this boat was coming another boat, I was coming this way, but it's quiet. And they spun me right off there. That whole cut of rut right there is me.
Oh, shit.
Oh, yeah, man. And it packed that side over there.
Yeah.
And I didn't catch it in time. It overheated. So when the guy's going, when you call Boat US, we always say, oh, yeah, are you in danger? Well, if you don't get here soon, we are, so, you know, hurry, you know.
Yeah. You toss me a stern line there?
Yes, sir. I'm windy because I'm mad, but I'm not mad anymore, and I don't want to be bad, but.
Nice.
You know the marina?
Bradenton Beach. Yep.
You know the layout, so they got us in the third slip. It's pretty easy.
Third slip from
The bar. So.
on the long side heading into the travel lift,
You just had to
or
go through all
the south
that.
side? Because there's two sides to that dock there.
Yes, absolutely. It's the one away from the bridge, the big one.
Yep.
So you go in there and you'll see a cat.
Yep.
They wanted to put us out on the end, but somebody's on their way in there and all that. But this is easier where you're.
Yeah.
So you want me to show you on the map?
Sure, that'd be perfect.
Man, I'm overheated.
It's hot out here if we're not
Well,
moving.
that's what I'm saying. And for, if you're going to assess damage, they should be under the boat, not coming through the bilges, because all boats leak.
Well, we don't care so much about damage as long as the boat's not taking on water.
Well, here's the thing, if you know anything about boating, you would know either this boat's filling up or you could see my bilge just pumping water.
Yep.
Since you've been here, you should have had her look.
Mm-hmm.
See if that bilge goes off. One of them goes off probably every 5 hours just because, old boats leak.
Yep.
So you safe with me?
Yes, sir.
All right. What do you need?
Let's see what we got for attachments up front.
We got mid and bow.
Just the one
When
cleat?
you come, I thought I'd put my shirt on.
Just the one cleat on the bow?
Excuse me, what?
Just one cleat on the bow?
No, one on each
Oh, you
side.
got one there.
Three total.
We'll go with the bridle then.
I'll move those lines.
Okay.
Hi, puppy.
Squish your arm.
That's Mr. Bug. That's Bug Lee. See, that was all part two. It's like, who's on board? I go, me and my mate. He's old.
Yeah.
The only issue we have is the anchor in it. So once you go around, it may want to get ugly, but it'll snap back out, and I got my anchor out.
Okay.
And I don't know if I can pull it or not, man. I got a bad heart. I will, but you just have to ease me up a
Yep,
bit.
I can do that.
I end up putting a 30 pounder. Are you want to do the anchor first?
Let's get these lines and then I can pull you forward or I can do it on a hip, whichever's
You
easier.
want? Oh, okay. All right, let's do it.
Well, if it's easier for you, we can hold off on that and I can move you forward on a hip.
And then I can, well, you're going to pull me, so yeah, that'll be all right. Get this out here. All right, bro.
Okay.
I'm still to move pretty good. I'm just,
Yep.
this heat is getting to me. It never has before.
And we just had a short tow from the Sarasota Yacht Club over to the Ken Thompson Ramp.
Where's that? We're not from here.
So the Sarasota Yacht Club is just north of Big Pass. And you got the Ringling Bridge and that little bridge that goes over it.
Just came under there.
Yep, so we just went under there and then City Island is between Lido and New Pass.
Yeah, you said that. I just left Nokomis this morning.
Oh, okay. Where are you heading?
Right there.
That's you staying there?
This far away.
You staying there?
Yes. This far away, man. When you do the, Kathy, my wife's there. She's 73. I'm 66. She's over there. Where are you at? Where are you at? And you hate telling her. She worries.
Yeah.
I got problems, man. What do you need?
Nothing.
You want these fenders?
We can leave them there. You ready to move forward?
I'm ready.
Okay.
Tie that stern on. Oh, I see. You're going to.
I'll probably just move you on a hip.
I got it. I'm ready.
So if you can just direct me where the anchor line is and I'll move you over. Seems nice enough.
I thought you were going to pull me forward. Hang on one second. Well, you don't even have the bridle hooked up. Why don't I just get the line?
A little bit of a wave coming.
Oh, it ain't as far as I thought. I thought I drifted.
You did drift, or didn't hold.
Don't put your finger in there.
Ouch.
Yeah, right where I knew it should have. All right.
Hey, I'll swap that over.
All right. I'll watch the anchor.
Turn.
You want me to steer, right?
As long as it's straight, we'll be fine.
I'll get up there. Give me some. I'm good.
Do you have a radio?
I got it all. What channel?
14.
You want them off?
You can take the one off the port side. We'll just leave this one on. So if you want to put it on the same cleat, you can.
Oh, sorry.
That's okay. I'm pulling it in anyway.
I tried to be quick. When I was in Lauderdale on a 50 bike, and guy pulled me out.
Yep.
He goes, I'm gonna pull you right out here, but the current's ripping, man. You're gonna have to go from the bow to the stern. Time I pull in and get this. I go, come on, man. Freak me out. But I did it. Anytime you're under pressure, I got you. My wife had to call. You're supposed to go to the other side. I go, will you calm down, man? This kid was a man. Everybody's a kid if you're younger than me, sorry.
That's okay.
You'll love being called that one day.
Yep.
I promise you, man. I'm gonna have some lunch waiting for you, but they don't start serving food until like Friday or so. new menu. You ever been in there?
I haven't, no.
I've been healthy all my life from when I turned 65. High blood pressure. Falling apart, man. And the sun don't help.
No.
And then stress on that, you know. I don't know how much boating you do. Stress will kill you, brother.
Yep.
All right. I can assist at any point with the port.
I don't think we'll need it.
Only if like we was, yeah, but yeah, you holler if you
Yeah, really, if you can just keep an eye on that port side, because I can't see anything over there.
All right, now, do you want me to communicate from this point or the back? See good from
If you can see fine from there, that's easier. Then you can just yell.
I gotta get prepped for this when we get in.
Yep. I hate Marina.
One pontoon on the see the bow pulpit on that last Hatteras?
Yep.
There's nothing over there, plenty of maneuvering.
Are we going right on the other side of it?
Yeah, just right on the other side.
Okay.
We'll go get close to that. All right. You don't want me to fire that up just in case?
Sure, can't hurt.
Yeah, it can't hurt. See the pontoon here, right?
Yep. How are we looking there? We get.
Yeah, just start easing a little bit. It looks like you're fine.
We don't want to
Good
get.
right there.
Okay. We don't want to get too close.
Maybe a little more. Yeah, you can start turning any time. Which one? There by the Hatter. All right, you're gonna need some assist now, huh? This one here.
This one? Okay.
Got 10 feet on the pontoon.
Try not to crash into the pontoon. Can't hear you. Okay. Yep, I'm gonna get up against the piling, so I gotta untie you here.
We're on the corner here.
Okay. Yeah,
I'm walking back.
yep, I'm gonna get stuck on the piling. Hey, you're clear to come back. A little sketchy. But I hate coming into this place. Hope you got it, because I'm not attached to you. Just watch yourself here.
I'll get till I can take care of it. Oh, yeah. Well, let's hang on a second, bro.
It is. Yeah. Scorcher.
Just trying not to get squished.
You're good.
Well, it was like, hello.
I told you to watch yourself.
Still no bill. What do I need to sign?
Nothing.
No.
No, sir. They do it all digital now.
Oh, that's right. You're not allowed to take cash. I forgot the new rule. Thank you, brother.
Thank you. Much appreciated.
I'm sweaty.
That's okay.
Yes. Great job.
Good luck with this.
Yeah, well, let's go on in there, see what happened.
Yep.
I'm gonna call your boss and send him pictures. 'Cause we just got it out of the yard. I did all the work, so I know what I'm doing. I'm not fooling. It's an old boat.
Well, you haul it out. If you can send me some pictures on the number I called you, I'd love to see what it looks like under there.
Yeah. Last time we got tangled.
Yep.
I got your number, Chad, right?
Ken.
Ken. Is it Ken or Chad?
Ken.
Same thing as my brother, I said.
Hi, Ken.
The
Hey.
other one was Chad.
Thanks for your help.
You're very welcome.
We'd offer you some food, but they're not selling it.
That's okay. You gotta
You did
get
a good job. Man.
back any.
You made me nervous.
I hate coming into this marine. It's never easy.
Stick these.
I know, put them on that side where it's not bothering anyone.
To take 20 feet out of the
Yeah.
fairway.
Especially every time I come here. I'm usually going all the way down to the hollow, and they've got boats all along both sides of
You
this.
did a great job, bro.
Thank you.
I'll give you a 5-star review.
Appreciate it.
Thanks, man.
Yep. You guys enjoy the day. What? No, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys on the next one.